is a story of a young social climber girl who is willing to risk everything just to get what she wants. Angelica is the only daughter of a farmer from Shanghai. Angelica's parents did the best that they can just to support their daughter. But Angelica took it to the next level. She began hanging out with her rich and famous friends. Ladies and gentlemen, please pay attention, because this is based on a true life story. And this is what's going to happen to a person blinded by her ambition. Mother! 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 Yes, my child. Where have you been? I've been in the market trying to sell vegetables in order to buy a kilo of rice for dinner. Do you have money? I'm so sorry myself that this is all I have. What? 20 pesos? What can I buy with a piece of paper? But my child, I told you, that's all I have. I'm so sorry. Sorry. You know that me and my socialite friends are hanging out every Friday night at Park Fair. What will they say if they find out that I have only 20 pesos in my pocket? But my child, why don't you accept the reality that we are poor? Why don't you change your lifestyle? It's not too late. It's very, very late. My life has been miserable since you and Father were busy in the farm and selling vegetables in the market. I don't know who am I going to tell my problems. Anxiety and pain of being alone. You don't care about me, do you? No, that's not good enough for this stupid conversation. Just give me your wallet. I can't do it. My friends are waiting. Hey guys! How are you? I'm so sorry I'm late. I need to drop my friend the man and drop on my ATM. Really? How sure about that? That you are just a donor farmer and a vegetable seller? Of course not! Who said that? Your cousin told us everything. My God, Angelica! For all these years? You lied to us! Get lost. No! What happened here? Angelica, don't be shy. Your mother is already dead. What? Let me in! This can't be happening.
on to contestant number 11. Help me welcome Miss Carla G. Reyes.